guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought in new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different engineering colleges. So the first college is Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering, Fairambalor. It is a unit of Sri Swami Vivekananda Educational Trust and it was founded by Dr. M. Shiva Subramaniam and founder chairman of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institution. It is established in year 2012. They have requirement for faculty in the branches agricultural engineering, biomedical engineering, computer science, civil and mechanical. This college has this achievement. It has secured 34th place in state level, 4th place in Trichy zonal level, 1st place in Fairambalor, Ariyalur and Kudalur district level in the rank list released by Anna University for academic performance of affiliated colleges for the university examination April and May 2019, and it also has secured 37th place in state level, 3rd place in Trichy zonal level and 1st place in Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. Designation, the requirement is for principal. Qualification required BE Tech and ME Tech with PhD for engineering and technology. Job location Perambalur. You have to apply through postal or email before 22nd of February 2022. So interested and eligible candidate requested to send their application with the scanned copy of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to following email address within 22nd February 2022. This is the email address and this is the postal address. You can take the screenshot and apply according to that. Next is vacancy in MBJ College of Engineering, Bangalore, Karnataka for year 2021-22. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science and engineering, aeronautical engineering, electronics communication, electrical electronics, physics, chemistry, mathematics and MBA. Qualification required is you must have PhD, master degree and bachelor degree with first class in all preceding degree in appropriate branch of engineering science with exemplary academic record throughout. Qualification for chemistry, physics and mathematics, PhD, MSc, BSc with first class in all preceding degree and appropriate branch of engineering science with exemplary academic record throughout. Qualification for MBA, PhD, MBA with HR, finance, marketing, specialization with first class in all preceding degree with at least 10 years of experience, then you can apply. The experience required for assistant professor, minimum 5 years of experience. For associate professor, minimum 5 years of experience, of which 2 year post PhD experience. Professor, minimum 10 years of experience, of which at least 5 years at level of associate professor. Candidate have following profile: good communication skill, can execute R&D and consultancy projects, who can promote patent, entrepreneurship development cell, they can apply. Job location, it is in Whitefield, Bangalore, Karnataka. You have to apply through email within 22nd February. This is the email address. You can note down that. Next vacancy is in Samana Institute of Technology and Management, Rewari, Haryana. It has two colleges: Somani Institute of Technology and Management, Rewari, and Somani College of Pharmacy. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lab technician, clerk, librarian, training and placement officer, admission counselor, recruitment officer, digital marketing person. Department which has vacancies: BTech, MTech, ME, CSE, EC, printing technology, MBA, BBA, BCA, pharmacy. Qualification and pay scale as per ICT and PCI norms. Supply mode, you have to go for walk-in. This is the date. You have to go on 19th of February 2022 between 10 AM to 3 PM. You can Also requested to send their application with a scanned copy of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to this email address somani@gmail.com. Next vacancy is in Vivekananda College of Engineering. It is an integral part of Asia's largest women technical institution affiliated to Anna University, accredited NAC and NBA. It has started in 2001 and acquired autonomous status in 2013. Now they have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for computer science and information technology. Expected candidate profile: he must have better communication skill, commitment towards work, and he possesses good academic credit. Credit will be given to reputed research publication and activities done. Then you can see qualification required: MEM Tech, pay scale, very attractive pay based on norms with all pers, location Tiruchengode, Namakkal district. Apply mode: email. This is the email ID. You can apply on that within 18th of December. 18th of December, no, it's maybe 18th of February 2021. They have mistaken. Okay. Next college is CK College of Engineering and Technology. You can check date of posted on which date. They have not given, I think, but it has announced in current need paper. Okay, no problem. You can apply for next college, CK College of Engineering and Technology, Kudalur, Tamil Nadu. Designation, job title: assistant professor and professor. Department time: vacancy English, MBA, civil, computer science, mechanical for professor, civil and MBA. Qualification required for that: BE Tech and MEM Tech, CSE, mechanical in design, manufacturing and robotics and civil. MPhil English must have completed either NET or SLATE. PhD completed or currently pursuing may also apply. Proficiency in NAC and NBA is preferable. Prior teaching experience in reputed engineering colleges is preferred and freshers can also apply. This is the roles. Teaching activity include classroom and laboratory session, guiding students for project and research. So these all are the responsibility you will have to perform. Job location Kudalur. You can go for walk-in on 17th February from 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon, and you have to bring your resume, passport size photograph, education certificate for verification. Next college is Ram Govind Group of Colleges. It has two colleges: Ram Govind Institute of Technology and one is Polytechnic Institute, Kodarma. Job title: professor, associate professor, assistant professor and lecturer. Department having vacancy mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science. Candidate profile: you must have completed PG and PhD, must have proficiency in NBA and NAC procedure will be preferred. Walk-in date: 19th of February from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. for CSE and civil, and for mechanical and EEE 20th February 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. This is the walk-in date. This is the address. Next vacancy is Gandhi School of Engineering. They are having vacancy for assistant professor, lecturer and lab assistant in department IT, civil, electrical, mechanical, physics, chemistry and English. Qualification: you must have master degree, bachelor degree with first class in all preceding degree in all appropriate branch of engineering and science with exemplary academic record throughout. Job location Brahmpur, Odisha. Experience required for assistant professor 0 to 2 years, lecturer 2 to 5 and lab assistant 0 to 2 years. Apply mode: email. This is the email ID. You can apply on that. Next college is Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering. They have requirement for assistant professor, associate professor and professor for the department agriculture, biomedical, civil, computer science, mechanical, science and humanity, English, mathematics, physics and chemistry and physical director. Qualification required: You must have BE, Tech, ME, Tech and PhD for engineering, and MA, MPhil, PhD for English, Maths, Physics and Chemistry. You must have commitment towards work, good attitude, and freshers can also apply. The job location, Fairambalor, Tamil Nadu. You have to apply within 22nd of February 2022. This is the email ID, principal Sri Ramakrishna Engineering @gmail.com. Next college is CMR College of Engineering and Technology. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for department CSC, CSC Data Science, CSC AI and ML, CSC Cyber Security, AI and ML, AI and DS, Information Technology. Experience required for assistant professor, no experience. Associate professor, minimum 5 years, of which 2 years post PhD experience. Professor, minimum 10 years, of which at least 5 years at the level of associate professor. Job location, Telangana, Hyderabad. This is the college address, and you have to apply through email by 28th of February 2022. And you can go for walk-in interview on any working day between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. with all relevant original certificates. This is Google form, and this is the email ID. You can apply with that. Next college is SA Engineering College. They have requirement for assistant professor, associate professor, and professor for department CSC, AI and DS, CS and business system, information technology, mechanical, ECE, electrical, electronics, civil, mathematics and English. English, Physics, Chemistry, MBA and MCA. Qualification as per ICT norms. You must have completed your EG and PG and good communication skills, commitment towards works. This is the job location, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You have to apply through email. You must have applied online within 21st of February. This is the Google form. You can apply with that. Next college is NSN College of Engineering and Technology, Karur, Tamil Nadu. Job title, assistant professor, placement trainer, girls hostel, warden. Departments having vacancy, civil, CSC, ECE, electrical, electronics, mechanical. Qualification, you must have completed your ME. This is the email ID. You can apply. Interested candidates send their letter of interest and detailed resume, both soft and hard copy, addressed to principal of college. This is the email address and this is the postal address. You can apply on that. So that's all about today's vacancy. You share it with your friends and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.